Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be replacing the drum support wheel on this Candy Tumble dryer. If your tumble dryer has become noisy when the drum turns, then it is likely that the drum support wheel has failed and it needs to be replaced. Now, safety first. Always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. To get the correct part for your machine, make sure you get the model information off the rating plate here. Then go to the eSpares website to order the right part for your model. I'm going to remove the lid of the tumble dryer by undoing the 2 screws at the back. Now, next I need to remove the control panel, so I'm going to disconnect the electrical connections and then remove the 2 screws that fix it in place. I'm going to open up the door and remove the door seal, simply pull it off, and then also remove this kick plate at the bottom of the machine just by pulling it away. Now I need to remove the front panel, which is held in place by 8 screws, 2 at the top, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 and 8 underneath the panel here. To remove the front panel completely, just need to remove the electrical connections from the door lock. To remove the ring assembly that's behind the front panel, just need to take out the electrical connection to the TOC here, and then remove the 4 screws that hold it in place. And for this, I'm using a nut spinner. To remove the front ring assembly, gently lift up from the bottom to unhook it from there, and then you can carefully angle it out and lift it away. Here we have the drum support wheel. So to remove, I'm again using a nut spinner just to release the nut. Now you'll have to take the washer out with it as well. You can then put in your new drum support wheel, washer, and re-screw it in position. Now I can refit the front ring assembly. Put it in at the top gently first, and then angle it so you can get the bottom into position. With the front ring firmly in place, you can now refit the screws. With all the screws back in, you can then refit the TOC connection, and now the front panel. When fitting the front panel, remember to refit the electrical connections for the door lock. You can now screw it back into position. All the screws back in, I can now refit the door seal, starting at the bottom and then working my way around to the top. And then also finishing off with the kick plate at the bottom of the machine. Just after the seal's done, Open and close the door just to make sure it fits correctly before moving on to the kick plate. Screw the control panel back into position before reconnecting the electrical connectors. And lastly, replace the lid. So there we have it, one new drum support wheel fitted to this Candy tumble dryer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.